Alright, got the little Blade Torrent. Picked this up on sale through Horizon. It's around 90, well, about $100 I guess. So flying it on a 2S. I've only flown a few quads, so this is just going to be line of sight, just trying to get the feel for it. Hopefully I got the radio set up correctly. Should do something with those dangling wires, but it's only a 2-cell and ain't going to get too carried away here. It's pretty stable, has a gut instinct. This is on auto level and all that good stuff. Orientation is going to be a little tough with this. Alright, I think there's max bank angle and stuff, so you're not going to get in a lot of trouble with it. And there's safe mode. Plus I did dial the rates down on it. Alright, there's the one with does not self-level. So I give it right input and it stays at right input. But I think it does still limit your... No, it did. Actually, you know what? This mode here is self-level, but you can, you have full control over it. Had to cut the throttle, got out of orientation on it. Alright, stand by. Alright, with the line of sight, it got too far away from me and lost the orientation on it. Yeah, I'm not a good quad pilot at all. I should have hit the eject button on it. I'll show you what I'm talking about. There it is, it's getting out of control. Hit the eject button and give it some throttle. Basically, that just means it's going to be auto leveling and all of that stuff. Alright, there was our timer. She's definitely pretty quick on the 4S. Excuse me, not the 4S, the 2S. Very durable, it looks like. Alright, stand by, we'll swap batteries.